What up, guys? PDX Ron here. It is Sunday afternoon and I am out doing my chores. So I happen to be on Craigslist, like always, looking through the auto parts section, and I happen to stumble upon this Subaru BRZ shift knob. Now the brand is Slammer or something like that, Slammer shift knob, and what made me want to check it out is that it weighs 635 grams. So that's a pretty big ass knob. That's heavy. So yeah, the guy agreed to meet with me, and yeah, selling it for $60. So that's over half off, according online. Turn the camera around. Let me just start off by saying that this thing is making my arm tired. This is freaking heavy, dude. Like, look at this. Identical in size, but it is really, really heavy. Yeah. Look at that thing. And yeah, let's see if we can install this right now. Might as well. I'm at the parking lot, so. Oh, and by the way, let me add that for 60 bucks, you know, it's a pretty good deal. There's no scratches on here or anything like that, so it's basically brand new. Yeah, look at that thing. Wow, I just wish you can feel how heavy this thing is. Can knock someone out. So let's finish installing. Alright, got the shift knob out. Original shift knob. Pretty nice still, but on to bigger and better things. And also included were these two screws. Oh shit. Let's see.
Box or anything, so see if it goes this way. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. Let's see. Oh, that's right. I think that shit. Let's do this. Alright, just give me a second. I'm gonna do some research. I don't know which direction these go, and I don't want to screw it up.
So, I thought that you didn't need this second part, but what happens is when you screw this on right there, and you screw this big ass thing here, I'm gonna call it Superman's testicle, as this thing is freaking bulletproof. Okay, screwing in, screwing in, screwing in. See that? It looks really nice, right? But how am I gonna go in reverse? It's locked. So we actually need this part too. Let's bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Take this thing out. Okay, you see the shaft? Okay, this thing goes this way. Yeah, this way. Okay, now we get Mr. Slammer over here. Oh, I see. Now we got to figure out how it lines up. Shit. Come on. Come on. Okay. That's stupid. Come on, dude. Embarrassing. What the? Is something missing? Where the hell did that little last piece go? Oh shit, where'd the big one go? You guys see that? It's in there. Let's do that again. Okay. So this thing shifts so much better just because of the added weight. I think it's a whole pound heavier than the stock one, so you do feel the difference. It's not as plasticky. That just slams into gear. Holy shit. I guess, yeah, that's why they call it the Slammer. Yeah, I just, wow. Superman's testicle. No, Iron Man's testicle. I take that back. It's not Superman's testicle. It's Iron Man's testicle. Look at that shit. But yeah, that was it. My quick review and my fucked up installation guide. Look at that shit. The numbers are backwards, but I'll figure it out later.